Why does your scanner show the P0552 engine code? What does it mean? P0552 is a diagnostic trouble code for power steering pressure, sensor circuit low input. The P0553 engine code 4 indicate your engine control module, ECM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected the voltage low for a continuous period of time. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty power pressure sensor, damaged or frayed wiring, corroded or loose connectors, shorted circuit to ground, power steering fluid leaks or low levels. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Hyundai, Toyota, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.